Jonas po! Alright, so kids, dito po natin lahat sa ating event area. Okay, so kids, na kayo sa harap ni Nana Chan. Dito lamang po kayo sa harap ni Nana Chan. Come on, kids. Ayan. So, sabihin na si ate, natin ay outside one. And so, parents and guardians, stay outside muna po ng ating event area para ma-maximize po ang space for the kids. Alright? So, Nana Chan, bigyan naman natin ng chance yung iba pang kids para makasali pa sa mga kids sa ating ball pool. Nari Kirisan, Toy Garden and Jumbo area. Ibigyan namin kayo ng 10 seconds. Okay, para sa join na po in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright, very good ang ating mga kids. Again, parents and guardians, stay outside muna po ng ating event area para ma-maximize natin ang space for the kids. Alright, kids, hands up! Hands up na po kung nakikinig. Alright, hands up, shake your hands, and jump! Yeah, very good. Napakaraming kids. Okay, hands down na po. Sabi ni Lala Ted, hands down. Alright, so before we start, magpapakilala po muna kami. We are the event team of Kitsuna SM City Baliwan. And I am your host for today. My name is Ate Mads, together with Ate Sarah and Ate Eliza. Hello! Of course, hindi naman mawawala ang star ng ating event. A very lovely, bubbly, a 5-year-old Prince Girl. Sabay-sabay tayo mag-hi. 3, 2, 1, say hi to Lala Chan! Alright, so kids, may sinasabi po si Lala Chan. Inabot ang Lala Chan, nagda-dance daw po ba kayo? Yes! So magkakaroon po na tayo ng warm-up dance, alright? So ituturo po namin ang mga basic steps ng ating warm-up dance. So tingin po sa harap sa amin ni Lala Chan para sa steps. So wag muna po, kamay sa bewang, and shake your hands to the right. And other side. Okay? And pangalawa po, swing your hands. And other side. Okay, ready na po mag-dance? Yes, ready na. Dahil dyan, music please. Okay, let's dance. Para may energy style kids. Sabayan natin sila ni Jen. Go! Okay, shake. Mama. pag narinig niyo po ang go signal ni ate, in 3, 2, 1, go! Pull the rope po. Pull the rope. Yan. Okay, so para kasi ng paghila, pag ang tag po ay napunta sa ating team A, bibilangan natin siya ng 15 seconds. Pagkatapos ng 15 seconds at nasa kanila pa rin ang tag, sila po ang makakakuha ng 1 point. Alright, so naintindihan po? Race to 2 po ang ating game. So pag nakaka-2 points, sila po ang mananalo. Okay? So understand po? Yes, so team leader, upo po muna tayo. Alright, so papakita po namin ang mga safety reminders bago mag-start ang ating game. Alright, so meron tayo tatlong safety reminders. Ang una po, no pushing. Okay, pangalawa, no running. And pangatlo po, just hold the rope firmly and just enjoy the game. So naiintindihan po ba lahat yun? Okay, so stand up na po tayo and get ready para sa ating cheering. Okay, so kailangan lakasan ng cheering, gandahan ng cheering. Parinig natin kila mamis and daddies. Alright, so team A, may cheering po ba ang team A? Go! Louder! Alright, very good. At syempre ang ating team B, hindi na mapapatalo. Parinig nga po ng cheering in 3, 2, 1. Alright, very good. So, pupunta na po tayo sa ating playing area. Mauna po kami ni Nana Chan, followed by Team A, and sunod po ang Team B. Okay, let's go, kids! Okay, let's go! Susunod po kami ng Team A. Yes, Team A and Team B. Okay, so parents and guardian, pwede po kayo pumunta sa harapan ng ating playing area para naman po ma-cheering natin ang ating mga kids. Okay? So, position na po. Okay, so position, wala muna po hahawak ng rope. Yes, ang parents and guardian, pwede po sa harapan para ma-cheering naman natin ang ating mga kids at mag-enjoy sila. Alright, so position po. Yes, wala muna po hahawak ng rope, kids. Get ready. Okay, isip ang energy para sa ating round 1. Wala mo nakahawak ng rope. Hands up. Hands up, kids.
Doon, upam.
Hands up, taas ang kamay. Yes, Team B, taas ang kamay. Okay, ang shake it. Alright, so ready na ang ating mga. Okay, hands up na wala po nakahawak.
Yo, upam.
Alright. So, Team A, ready na po ba sa round 1 ang ating Team A? Alright, Team B, are you ready? Alright, Nana Chan, ready na ba si Nana Chan?
Hila, hila.
Alright, nakasan po natin ang ating cheering para mag-compete ang ating mga team. Alright, hands up! Hands up!
Hawak ka na.
Wala po ba nakahawak ng rope? Wala po ba nakahawak ng rope? Hands up muna!
Pupul mo, empam ha, pupul.
Okay, so round 1. Ang top of the round. Begins the trick off. Alright, so ang team B ang nakakuha ng alright, congratulations sa ating IDMC members. Good job! Alright, position po ulit tayo. Position, kids. Alright, may isa pang round, okay? Hands up, hands up.
Hands up.
Ready for the second round. Yan, alright, very good. Hands up po, hands up. Hands up. And position. Okay, so the second round na po. PJ, ready po ang pumamit sa ating second round? Alright, Team B, ready na ba manalo ng Team B? Team B, ready na po siya? Position na po, position. Alright, position na.
Empam, dalawang kamay. 2 hands gamitin mo. Dalawang kamay gamitin mo. Dalawang gamitin mo.
Okay, meron tayo.
Oh, wait lang.
Hands po tayo and get ready. Shake your hands. Shake your hands, please. And position tayo. Yan, ibuhos na
Empam,
natin.
dalawang kamay ha.
Alright, so sino ang manalo ng bibili? Yes, very good. How about TV? Magpapanalo ba ang TV? Ready ba? Yes, Nana Chan, are you ready, Nana Chan? Alright, so meron tayo Alright.
Dalawang kamay ha. Dalawa. Oh, ila. Empam, doon. Tama ka.
Malapit na po.
Okay, so Team A, dahil nanalo ang ating Team B, bigyan natin sila ng 5 plus. Okay, may counting and 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Okay, so Team B, dahil ginawa natin ang kanilang best, bigyan natin sila syempre ng 8 plus. Alright, and 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Good job kayo, kids. So, babalik na po tayo sa ating area. Mauna po kami ni Nana Chan, okay?
Babalik kayo doon, Empam.
Alright, so let's go! Alright, let's go!
Sumunod ka doon.
Dito sa ating event area. Come on! Alright, dito po tayo sa harap ni Nana Chan, kids. Ilan po tayo ulit? Okay, so sundin po sa side more. Okay, sabi ni Nana Chan, side more. Kailangan scattered ang pila natin para lahat tayo nakikita ni Lala Chan. Let's smile. Let's smile kay Lala Chan, kids. Yeah, very good. Okay, so kids, sabi ni Lala Chan, okay lang na po one more time. Yes, so magdadance tayo ng favorite song ni Lala Chan, ang Love Expression. Alright. Okay, ready na po ba mag-dance? Sabi dyan, music please. Okay, follow nyo lang po kami para sa step. Hands up. And down. Okay, down. Side to side. And march again. Hands up. Yeah, very good. Side to side. Shake your hands. Yes, wait. Other side. Touch your shoulder. And your hands. And jump. Big wave. Shake a big circle.
With your hands in the sky.
Twist.
Brave, you can do anything.
And more.
Be happy and smile.
And jump. Big wave. Good thing. Other side.
So frightened.
Point to the right.
Friend, I'm always here to cheer you up.
Kamay din sa heart. And
Everyone's heart. We'll make the world a better
Okay, kids, one more again. Jump. And march.
Hello, my friends, let's do la la.
Side to side.
Come on and sing with me. Dance, dance, dance. Now there's a smile, let's do la la. Sing, sing, sing. Love is a treasure.
i-post ang inyong groupie picture sa inyong social media account using the hashtag KidsunaPH. Alright, so wala muna pong tatayo, kids. Ayan, kasi may gusto pang sabihin si Lala Chan. Ano yun, Lala Chan? So, tinatanong po ni Lala Chan, gusto niyo daw po bang mag-birthday dito sa Kidsuna? Yes, parents and guardians, gusto daw po. So, Kidsuna SM City Baliwag is offering you a party package. For more question and inquiries, you may ask our friendly partners. Alright? So, parents and guardians, again, maaari niyo pong i-post ang inyong groupie picture sa inyong social media account using the hashtag KidsunaPH. Alright?